G'day and welcome to the Mother and Baby Spider with Jenny Brandis. I will be showing you on the Peacock Bookmark from the pattern a month number 9. Having worked the cross stitch start, make sure that the incoming pairs have 2 twists on them. Add 2 twists to the top left pair. Work the right incoming row with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 2 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 2 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 2 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 3 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 3 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 3 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 4 twists and lay aside the left pair. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 4 twists and lay aside the left pair. Work the corner pin with half stitch, pin, half stitch, and lay both pairs aside. Make sure that all the pairs have the correct number of twists. Unlike the written instructions, I have worked the incoming left row at the same time as the top half of the spider. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 2 twists to the spider leg and lay aside. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Add 2 twists to the spider leg and lay aside. Using the centre left pair, cross stitch through the 7 right pairs and lay aside. Repeat with the next left pair, cross stitch, tension and lay aside. Continue to bring in the left pairs, cross stitch through the right pairs and lay aside until all the pairs have been worked. Put up the pin and tension. Make sure that the tensioning is the same on both sides. Cross stitch the centre left pair through the remaining left pairs. Add 5 twists, then work the outgoing pin with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Lay both pairs aside. Repeat with the next centre left pair until 2 centre left pairs remain. Add 3 twists to both remaining pairs and lay aside. Repeat on the right side. Form a small spider at the bottom pin and close the remaining outside pins. Remove the 2 spider centre pins and tension again.